I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you were looking to check your transaction history on your Mastercard, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the official Mastercard website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once logged in, look for the Transactions or Activity tab on your dashboard. Click on it to view your recent transactions. Step 3. Filter your transactions. Use the filtering options to customize the date range or transaction type you want to view. This helps in narrowing down specific transactions. Step 4. Review transaction details. Click on any transaction to see more details, such as the merchant name, date, and amount. This is useful for tracking your spending. Step 5. Download or print history. Before starting recovery, use the extra.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you can't find your transaction history, check if your account is fully set up or if you need to verify your identity. Happy tracking!